excited to actually give you this video again. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome once again to a place where you learn every day. When I mean learn every day, I mean learn every day. So if you are new to this channel, so please, let me say, you're welcome first. And please subscribe and make sure you share this video and also comment. I really want to know your thoughts about what market is saying, and just drop a comment and drop a like. So now today I dropped something in my Telegram group. If you're yet to join my Telegram group, please join. Today I dropped 2 signals right there. I dropped 2 signals today, and this Telegram group, trust me, I've been dropping signals on this Telegram group, and I will tell you categorically, we've only taken stop loss once, just one time, right? The rest are massive profit, guys. So now it's my culture to, I'm not just sending you like GBPUSD buy stop loss here. No, I will show you my MT5. I will show you the reason why I'm buying. I'm going to tell you the reason why I'm selling, right? So this Telegram group is not a place you want to joke with. So if you're interested, just go to the description below and just click on the link is there. Just join the Telegram group. Trust me, it's going to be amazing. So let's go. So today I dropped 2 signals today, one on USOIL and another one on GBPUSD. I was only able to take one. I was only able to take one of them. So the one I dropped on USOIL, I made $3,000. I made 3,000. Where is it? Yeah. So this is it. So this is it, guys. This is it. So I made $3,000 from this signal, and the one I dropped on GBPUSD. So I was unable to take that trade because I was in a meeting, right? So this was the trade. Let me show you. This was the trade. This was the trade. Okay, well, it wasn't here. Let me take it up a bit. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Yeah. So this was the trade. Yeah. Look at where I called it. But I was unable to take it. But I made sure I dropped updates. See, for me, it's update to update. Guy, look at the results. See how price dropped from there. Price dropped massively from there, right? So I just want to explain the reason why I took these 2 trades, and yeah. So number one, talking about, let's go to USOIL first. Let's get to the USOIL first. So now you see on this was the trade we took on USOIL. On USOIL, you see there's something called gap caused by fundamental, right? If you check some USOIL pairs, this broker actually represents, let me show you. So what I mean, you see this long candlestick that happened overnight, this long candlestick that went up overnight, right? Some brokers are unable to represent this in their data. So most of the time, for some brokers, you will see this as gap. Let me look for it. Let me look for brokers that couldn't represent this. Coming. Okay, these guys represented it as let me check if I can find a broker that couldn't represent this. So but this is common with, I'm coming, let me see if I will find. Okay, I can't find them. Let's go to our normal one. But yeah, if you check if you check your broker right now, the broker you are using right now on your MT5, you can check it now. You see that this jump that happened from here to this point here, your broker is unable to record it, right? The reason why gap actually formed like this, especially overnight on the weekend, overnight like this, is some transaction happened during weekends that, what's it called, the market is unable to catch up with. So by the time market open, price will just jump to that price in which price currently is as price open. So leaving a gap between where price is currently and where price was when it closed on Friday. So most of the time, price will always love to cover up that gap. So for me now, when I saw this, I saw an opportunity to make money, because this market is not just trying to cover up that gap, but price is actually giving us a structure that we can follow. So what I saw was, I saw this as a high, I saw this as a low, I saw this as a lower high, I saw this point as a lower low, I saw this point here as a lower, like normal understanding of market structure, a lower low. So after seeing this point here as a lower low, I noticed this point here, I noticed that, okay, this price here is on a correctional move. So what I can do is, as I start seeing multiple rejection here, I call in for a sell here. hoping that price will never come here again. Price should never come here again, right? Price should never come here again. So this is just the study of price action. So anytime you see impulsive move, expect a correctional. Impulsive correctional. Impulsive correctional. After this correctional, what should you expect? An impulsive move is as simple as that. And that is what we caught here. This is the impulsive move we caught here. And now we are seeing another correctional again. So categorically, I can tell you that this year is another wonderful trade. This year is another wonderful trade. My stop loss will be somewhere around here, and I would love to target 1 to 2 risks to reward. Yeah, I would love to target 1 to 2 risks to reward, but I won't be taking this trade because I've taken a trade today. I won't be taking this trade at all. I won't be but this is a good signal. Good signal. Good signal. So now this is on US oil. So now let's go to GBPUSD. GBPUSD. Let's go to GBPUSD and let me show you exactly what I saw that made me took this sell. Yeah, this is the sell. This is the sell here, right? Notice that on this chart, you're not seeing more than 3 lines. You're not seeing more than 3 lines. So what are the functions of this 3 line? This first line marks the highest point price got to yesterday. This one here marks the lowest point price got to yesterday. This one here marks the closing price for yesterday, right? So the moment price come back to retest these 2 lines, I knew that something crazy is going to happen. Because now, look at this point here. Something caused price to tank down from here, leaving a gap that I was explaining that happened overnight from Friday's closing price leading to the open price today, right? So something happened here that caused price to drop. So price coming back there and giving this multiple rejection on those 2 lines is telling us something. Notice that all of this rejection, in fact, the farthest rejection we had came to touch this closing price on Friday and leave rejection. They're always closing below this line. I knew that something crazy is going to happen. Then I sent the signal immediately to the group. When I saw this, I was even trying to open my MT5 and take the trade. But look at what happened. Pa! Price starts dropping. So it's simple. Forex is not hard. Now, you are the one looking for complex system to trade. Forex is not hard. So now, if you watch the video I sent was it on Friday? Yeah, on Friday. Was it on Friday? Yeah, it should be on Friday. Yeah, Friday. The one I uploaded in which it was a general class on Telegram. So guys, again, there is another reason why I want to join that Telegram is on Friday, every Friday, I host a Zoom class. In which everybody, it's actually free. That Zoom class is free. Everybody come on board. They ask questions. I show them my trades for last week. I show them the reason why I took the trade. So it's a free. So in that last class, I told everyone that something crazy will usually happen on gold around 1 a.m. Tokyo section. Hey, am I supposed to say this here? Yeah, let me say it. Something crazy always happen on gold around Tokyo section 1 a.m. If you are disciplined enough to wake up, you will catch it. So I told people that, right, once it is Tokyo section, let me change this indicator to Tokyo section. So Tokyo section, then Talk of London section. So on my screen right now, you will see 2 colors. You will see the pink color and you see the yellow color. You see this pink color here, this pink color that you have here is Tokyo section. So admin, you are up this Tokyo section. I explained something. Once price breaks the closing price of Friday, once price breaks that closing price around Tokyo section, sell. This was the trade you could have caught. Yeah, this was the trade you could have caught. Yeah, and target just 1 to 2 risk to reward. That's it. It's not hard. Forex is not hard. You're the one looking for complex system. Remember again, 3 lines. So I believe I've been able to do justice to the trades I called. Right? So once again, let me announce this again. Dr. Ray Swing is hosting a 30 days marathon trading class. There's an adage in my town. It says, let the rat inside the house here and tell the rat in the farm. Right? If you've been frustrated trading Forex, right? You've been trying to make profit, you're not making profit. I'm telling you, this boot camp is for you. I'm not just going to be trading in as much as Forex is an high risk game. I'm not guaranteeing that profit will be made. I'm not guaranteeing that losses will be made. But I'm telling you, based on what you can see yourself, do justice to that. So if you're interested in that 30 days boot camp, which will be full of learning and live trading. In fact, that live trading will be so designed in a way in which you'll be trading London section, we'll be trading New York section, we'll be trading Tokyo section together. So all you have to do is just, there's a message, there's a WhatsApp number at the description box. Make sure you message that, say you are interested. It's not for free. It's actually the registration fee is actually $65. To me, it is cheap. Now, note, you must come with a live account or a proprietary firm to pass. It's very, 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 very important. So, thank you everyone for watching this video to the end. See you tomorrow again. I'm going to try and drop video consistently now. Yeah, bye everyone.